Are you looking for an easy way to delete calendar events on your iPhone? In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the steps of deleting any calendar events created by you. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the calendar app on your iPhone, and then tap and select any event that you created. After that, at the bottom center, you'll see an option called Delete Event. So go ahead and tap Delete Event. And then tap Delete Event one more time to confirm your action. There is also another way to delete them. Tap and hold the event that you created. And then a pop-up will appear. Simply tap Delete. And that will get rid of that event instantly. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.